Did you finally wake up? You snuggling your teddy bear? Did you get a very, very good snooze? Yeah? Oh, you were so exhausted. You were just so exhausted. Are you ready to go out and go potty? Ready to go out? Good morning. I am going to take you along on a what I eat in a day video today. I had my coffee already this morning, like you already saw. I was up at about 5:30, so a little bit earlier than normal. And it's only 8:12 right now, and I'm already hungry for first meal of the day. So today might be like 3 meals today. Sometimes when I'm eating more carnivore-ish, it's easy to just do 2 meals, but I think since I was up early today, it'll be 3. I am on day 5 of my January challenge. If you didn't see my January intentions Wellness Wednesday video, I will put it up in the cards, and I just go over all of my things that I wanted to do for my January challenge, and like as far as my diet and stuff. It's close to carnivore, not 100%, because I have like coffee and spices and flavored element electrolytes, stuff like that. So not saying it's 100% carnivore, but it's pretty close. A lot of people would consider it carnivore. Anyways, so carnivore-ish. So anyways, I'm on day 5, and I'm at the point where food is not fun, food is not exciting. I don't care about food. It would be nicer if I just didn't get hungry, because I would rather not have to worry about it. But I still do get hungry, so I do have to worry about it. So I don't know what I'm gonna make right now, but I'm going to check out what I have in the fridge as far as leftovers and make a decision. Are you getting distracted by the chickens? Because you need to go potty, Bubs. Hey, come back here. Bubs, you're not going potty. You're not going potty, Bubs. So I have this leftover New York strip steak. I made a big one yesterday and ate about half of it. And I'm thinking I'm going to make a couple soft-boiled eggs to go over the top of this, and that will be breakfast. I'm thinking this is probably, like when it was raw, this was probably about 8 ounces. I love using my 3-quart Instant Pot for soft-boiled eggs. I have about a cup of water in the bottom, and I love these steamer baskets. I have one for each size of Instant Pot, and I am going to soft-boil 2 of these. I do high pressure for 3 minutes for soft-boiled, 6 minutes for hard-boiled, and I do a quick release as soon as the cook time is done and plunge them into cold ice water. Does not want to do anything. So that is breakfast, and I'm going to give a sprinkle of some Chef's Blend smoked salt to the eggs. Oh, this is looking good. That is as far as I got. I am so full. So this morning I am taking Bubs to his first vet appointment, and so we're about to head out the door. Me and Charity are going to do that, and I'm going to mix up one of my elements, citrus salt today, and have that to bring with me. I'm also feeling like a second cup of coffee. The place we're going is right next to a Starbucks, so maybe I'll get a cup of coffee there when we're out. That sounds pretty good. So Charity slept next to Bub's crate last night, and she was the one who took him out to go potty twice, and he didn't have any accidents.
No.
It was so great. All right, ready?
A towel.
Oh yeah, we need this.
Bubs has a history of puking in the car. So we are prepared, and here's his little bear to keep him company. Decided to skip Starbucks and go to this little drive-through coffee shop by our house. Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? Can I get a 12-ounce Americano with about half an inch of heavy cream? Yes, please.
And then our 12 ounces come with a single. Make it a single?
Yeah, that sounds great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Double Americano with heavy cream. Did he fall asleep? Little Bubs. Yeah. We should take him out to the grass here and let him have a chance to go potty before we take him in. Yeah. But we're a little bit early, so he can rest for another minute. Do you like him?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't even know if you. I don't know if you like him. I mean, we can still take him back.
I obviously love him.
You love him so much that you got up in the middle of the night twice to take him out to go potty, huh? Oh, jeez. We had to drop off Bubbles, and so we came to Trader Joe's to do some shopping. And look what they have that is new. Hearts of Palm rice. Riced Hearts of Palm. That'll be interesting to try. And now Charity is fully stocked up on her cauliflower gnocchi.
Yeah.
So I didn't expect Bub's appointment to be so long. It ended up being like a drop-off thing, and it's been a couple of hours now, and I just got a call that he's almost ready. So we are getting lunch, and we are getting lunch at McDonald's. I'm just going to get a, let's see, I ordered 3 quarter-pound patties, and total $4.17, which, how can you get a meal for that cheap? So I am going to have that for my midday meal. I'm just sitting here waiting for it because I ordered it on the mobile app, and I'll show you it when it comes out. There's my 3 patties. Not cooked in seed oil, only salt and pepper, 100% beef. It's not grass finished panda massaged beef, but it's beef and it's good. While you guys enjoy this segment of Puppy TV, I wanted to give you 2 reminders. First off, today is the last day of the Perfect Keto New Year's sale. They have a bunch of stuff on sale, and I actually found out that you can stack coupon codes on top of the sale prices, so you can get a good discount. If you try my code, some people said my code worked, stacking it on top of the sales, and other people said it didn't work. If mine doesn't work, go ahead and try some other codes from other people. I will have some of them down below so you can find one and just try them to see if they work. But a lot of people have been getting some really good deals by taking advantage of the sale prices plus stacking a coupon code on top of that. Also, I want to give a reminder that I am going to be attending KetoCon in April 2023. It is coming up so soon. If you guys haven't gotten your tickets yet, you can still get a really good price by using my coupon code for $50 off. The coupon code is Indigo Nili. I cannot wait to attend, and I hope to see you guys there. So here's what I made for my dinner. It's just some beef meatballs. I used 8 ounces of ground beef with an egg and some pork panko and some Red Rock barbecue seasoning. And then this is some everything but the bagel smoked salmon from Trader Joe's. Not sure how much of this I will get through, but I will show you if I have any leftovers. Oh, and I did want to mention that I only ate 2 of the burger patties from McDonald's today. So I ended up with 4 meatballs left. That's what I couldn't get through, so I put that away, and I'll have that for snack sometime. But this is what I'm going to have for the last thing of the evening. This is a pumpkin rooibos tea, and I'm going to do a half a packet of the chocolate caramel element. What are you having?
I'm having hot chocolate.
You are?
I'm going to put this in.
You're going to put some allulose chocolate chips in there?
Yeah.
That sounds awesome.
I love them.
You do?
Yeah, they're so yummy.
They are very yummy.
And do you love them?
I love them. And they're very cute and tiny too.
But do they? Yeah, they're so. Let me see if they're so
And you're having hot chocolate too?
Yes.
I love it. Okay, and I will put in about a tablespoon of cream into my tea and enjoy that for my last thing of the evening.
I'm going to put them in first because they
Whoa, careful, don't rip the bag until they fall out. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oops, I got some out. This is our puppy name list from the other day when we were working on figuring out a puppy name. Here's how my calories and macros broke down for the day. I got a total of 2,026 calories, 143.4 grams of protein. That was 28.7% of my calories. Got 153.6 grams of fat. That was 69.3% of my calories. And then 9.8 total carbs, which came to 2% of my calories. I do currently have my continuous glucose monitor on from NutriSense, so I have all of my blood sugar data from the day. So I'll start over here at the nighttime. You can see through the night I was in the high 70s, low 80s. Then I was up pretty early. So I had my first cup of coffee at 5:36, and my blood sugar was down at 75 at that point. And usually it starts to go up, as I'm getting up and moving around. And so I got a 9 on the score instead of a 10 because it says here, started at 79, ended at an 87. But that's pretty normal for that time of the morning. I think it was just because I got up a little bit earlier. And then next red dot over here is my breakfast. This is when I had the steak with the 2 hard-boiled eggs. And I started out with a blood sugar of 90, and 2 hours later I had a blood sugar of 86, so I got a score of 10 on that one. Next thing I had was that Americano with cream that I got from the little drive-thru. Started out with a blood sugar of 89, 2 hours later blood sugar of 87, so got a score of 10 on that one. Then lunchtime, I got the 2 burger patties. Started out at an 86, 2 hours later was an 89, so that was all good. I only ate 2 of those burger patties. I bought 3, but only ended up needing 2. It's funny, when I have those burger patties with cheese on them, I can eat like 3 or 4. When I have them with no cheese on them, I can barely get down 2. It's funny how that works. So then next thing I had for the evening was dinner. That was the meatballs with the smoked salmon, and then I had the tea with the Element and a little bit of cream right after. And my blood sugar went down initially, and then it jumped up around 7:30-ish. And I'm not sure why that was. I might have been like doing some laundry or something, hauling things up and down the stairs, and made my blood sugar go up a little bit. I don't think it necessarily was from the meal, but I could be wrong. So started with a blood sugar of 81. 2 hours later had a blood sugar of 90, and that gave me a 9 score on dinner. And then I always like to go into my analytics over here and check my average blood sugar for the day. I just find it interesting to see how it changes day to day, and when I make changes to my diet, just to see how my average blood sugar responds is really interesting. So today you can see the mean here is the average blood sugar for the day, and that was 85. So definitely very happy with that. So if you guys are interested in getting more information about NutriSense and their continuous glucose monitor program, I will have a link down below that you can check out. I do get a little bit of a kickback whenever anyone clicks that link and signs up with their email address just for more information. You don't actually have to make a purchase, but if you just sign up with your email address to get more info, I get a little bit of a kickback. So it's an easy way for you guys to support my channel if you want to do that. If you don't, I totally respect that as well. And you can get all the info there about their continuous glucose monitor program and the prices and all that kind of stuff.